Cape Fair Park, shown here in red, is located on Table Rock Lake, about 30 minutes from all the Branson attractions you've grown to love. Ride with us today as we drive through the entire campground, and be sure to stay till the end for an animated map to show you the easiest way to get here. Cape Fair Park is a Corps of Engineers property that is nestled along the picturesque James River arm of Table Rock Lake. The campground boasts 45 reservable RV and tent camping sites that are perfect for those seeking a tranquil retreat in the heart of nature. Set up camp among the towering trees, then wake up to a soothing sound of the lake and leave your worries behind. Whether you're a local resident or just passing through, Cape Fair Park offers an array of amenities for day visitors. The many spacious picnic areas are perfect for a lunch or family gathering. Take advantage of the park's well-maintained grills and table and enjoy a delicious barbecue surrounded by nature's tranquility. If swimming is more your style, head on over to the designated swimming area, take a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters of the lake, and relax on the beach. What sets Cape Fair Park apart from others is its commitment to providing modern comforts. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or a first-time camper, the park's well-maintained sites offer the perfect blend of comfort and serenity, providing a delightful home away from home. You'll never have to worry about roughing it in the wild because this park has flushable restrooms and hot showers. So, after a long day of outdoor adventures, you can freshen up and rejuvenate, ensuring comfortable stays for you and your family. If you're finding this video to be helpful or entertaining, please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you've ever stayed here or if you plan to stay here in the future. Then subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our future videos. It's all free and it will let us know that we're doing something helpful for others. For those of you who are seeking aquatic adventures, the park has its very own marina. Dock your boat, cast your line, and spend the day fishing in the calm waters of Table Rock Lake. For boating enthusiasts, the park provides a convenient boat launch ramp, ensuring easy access to Table Rock Lake. Launch your vessel and embark on an exciting voyage across the water. Whether you're into water skiing, tubing, or simply cruising, Table Rock Lake offers endless possibilities for all your family adventures. Didn't bring your boat? No worries. The marina offers rentals, making it easy for everyone to enjoy a day on the water exploring hidden coves, soaking up the sun, and creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. From picnicking to fishing, swimming to boating, Cape Fear Park truly has something for everyone. It's the perfect destination for families, nature lovers, and adventure seekers alike. So pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and come on down for a memorable journey to Cape Fear Park. Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day use areas, as well as 50% off your camping fees. Here's the easiest way to get here. Coming from Springfield, Missouri, take Highway 160 south for 30 miles. Be aware that Highway 160 is also Highway 13. Turn on Highway 76 west and go 9 miles to Cape Fear. At the three-way stop, turn left onto Cape Fear Park Road and the park entrance will be 1 mile ahead. Thanks for spending some of your time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out some of our other videos shown here and tell your friends about us. We wish you safe travels and remember, have fun, let's travel.